Imagine finishing a project, sweeping the floor, and then simply folding your entire workbench flat against the wall. No permanent obstruction. No lost floor space. No bulky table dominating your garage. Just open space again. That is the power of fold-down workbench design. In small workshops, space is not just valuable. It is everything. Every square meter must serve multiple purposes. A fold-down workbench allows your shop to transform instantly from workspace to storage area, parking space, or open floor zone. Today we are exploring 10 fold-down workbench designs that disappear when your project is finished but remain solid and dependable while you work. The first design is the classic wall-mounted hinged bench. This is the simplest and most accessible option. A sturdy tabletop attaches to the wall using heavy-duty hinges. When needed, it folds down and locks into place with folding brackets or removable legs. When finished, it folds flat against the wall. The key to making this design professional is strong wall anchoring into studs and using quality hinges rated for heavy loads. The second design is the fold-down bench with integrated leg supports. Instead of separate removable legs, this version uses legs that fold inward automatically when the bench lifts. This makes setup faster and more fluid. It is ideal for quick projects and smaller builds where speed matters. The third design incorporates a French cleat wall system above the bench. When folded down, the bench becomes part of a larger modular tool wall. When folded up, it sits flush beneath your tool storage. This design turns one wall into a multifunctional productivity station. The fourth design is the cabinet integrated fold-down bench. When closed, it looks like a tall storage cabinet. When opened, the front panel becomes the work surface. Inside the cabinet, shelves hold tools and materials. This design is perfect for ultra-small workshops or shared spaces. The fifth design is a fold-down bench with sliding support arms. Instead of legs, metal or wooden arms slide outward from beneath the tabletop to lock it in place. This keeps the floor clear, which is ideal if you are constantly moving equipment or rolling carts. The sixth design uses a double fold system. The bench folds down from the wall, and then an additional extension panel unfolds to increase surface area. When fully extended, it becomes a large workstation. When folded, it takes up minimal depth. This is perfect for projects that require occasional larger surfaces but not permanent space. The seventh design integrates storage beneath the fold-down surface. Shallow compartments or slim drawers are mounted between wall studs. When the bench folds up, storage remains accessible. This maximizes vertical utility without expanding footprint. The eighth design is the fold-down workbench with pegboard backing. When folded down, the pegboard acts as a vertical tool organizer directly above your work surface. When folded up, tools remain mounted and organized. This design enhances workflow efficiency by keeping frequently used tools within arm's reach. The ninth design focuses on mobility. A wall-mounted fold-down bench combined with rolling base cabinets underneath creates a hybrid system. When the bench is deployed, rolling cabinets slide beneath for support and storage. When finished, the cabinets move aside and the bench folds away. This approach combines flexibility with strength. The 10th design is the ultra-minimal floating fold-down bench. Designed for light-duty tasks like sanding, assembling small projects, or electronics work, this version is slim, lightweight, and quick to deploy. Its purpose is not heavy construction but instant workspace. Now let's talk about what makes these designs truly professional. Stability is critical. Reinforced hinge mounting, cross-bracing, and strong load-rated hardware are non-negotiable. A fold-down bench must feel as solid as a permanent one when in use. Any wobble reduces confidence and precision. Material choice also matters. Plywood with hardwood edging creates strength without excessive weight. Laminated surfaces resist wear. Sealed finishes protect against moisture and glue spills. Professional results come from thoughtful construction. Another overlooked factor is height planning. Your fold-down bench should match the height of your primary tools or workstations. Consistent height allows seamless transfer of materials between surfaces, increasing workflow efficiency. Lighting placement is equally important. Since fold-down benches are wall-mounted, install task lighting directly above the deployment area. This ensures visibility whether the bench is up or down. Dust management can be integrated as well. Small wall-mounted vacuum ports or quick-connect dust hoses can attach when the bench is deployed. When folded away, hoses disconnect and tuck neatly into storage. A fold-down workbench does more than save space. It changes how you think about your workshop. Instead of designing around permanent obstacles, you design around flexibility. Your workshop becomes adaptive rather than fixed. Imagine completing a cabinet build. You sand the final surface. You apply finish. Then you lift the bench, secure it against the wall, and suddenly your garage opens up again. That transformation feels powerful. For small workshops, adaptability is professionalism. Industrial studios rely on flexible infrastructure. There is no reason a compact garage cannot operate with the same intelligence. The biggest mistake people make when building fold-down benches is underestimating hardware strength. Invest in quality hinges and brackets. Your safety and performance depend on them. Another common error is skipping wall reinforcement. Always mount into structural framing. If necessary, add horizontal ledger boards anchored across multiple studs to distribute weight evenly. When done correctly, a fold-down workbench becomes invisible when not in use and indispensable when needed. It allows your workspace to breathe. It reduces clutter. It increases functionality. It turns limited square meters into multipurpose zones. If you are serious about maximizing a small workshop, this is not just a design idea. It is a strategy. Watch the full video to see all 10 fold-down workbench designs demonstrated with layout examples, hardware suggestions, and build concepts you can adapt to your own space. And subscribe for more smart workshop upgrades that help small shops perform like large professional studios.